dreams, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go.
Hi, Bunso. Happy birthday from Vicky and Maris. Wish ko sa'yo good health. Stay humble. Andito lang kami para sa'yo. We love you, Neil. Happy birthday. Good luck. God bless you. Bye.
Hi, Neil. Happy birthday. God bless. Stay humble. I love you.